Hello everyone! I will be doing some touch-ups for this model and giving her a haircut. There are some small hairs at the nape of the model that I will quickly take care of.
Have something that we can't explain. Give me a sign, I'm wasting no time. I'm yours if you say the words. Show me your moves, nothing to lose. I think we can make this work.
I will use a texturizing to cut technique, repeatedly opening and closing the scissors from left to right while cutting to achieve the desired length.
I got a feeling, babe, can you feel it? We gonna dance our hands to the ceiling. I like the way you're moving, yeah.
This method will quickly create a natural-looking hair ends effect.
Let's go. Baby, feel the beat, just let go. No, I don't know much, but I know there's something that I can't explain. Give me a sign, I'm wasting no time. I'm yours if you say the words. Show me your moves, nothing to lose. I think we can make this work all night. There's something we just can't contain. I got a feeling, babe, can you feel it?
For the front fringe, I will use a slanting texturizing technique to adjust the hair volume.
Way you're moving, yeah. I got a feeling, babe, can you feel it? Let's go. Baby, feel the beat, just let go.
Using a slanting texturizing technique, I can quickly achieve the desired effects, creating a more perfect and outstanding wispy effect and sense of volume and space in the hairstyle.
Give me a sign, I'm wasting no time. I'm yours if you say the words. Show me your moves, nothing to lose. I think we can make this work all night. There's something we just can't contain. I got a feeling, babe, can you feel it? We gonna dance our hands to the ceiling. I like the way you're moving, yeah. I got a feeling, babe, can you feel it?
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.